Hi everybody, Half Done Stop Making here. Today we are going to be making pudding in a mug. This is so simple to make. So first thing you're going to need is some self-raising flour. Okay, so now that we got that ready, sorry for the hand movement. Let's got all this kind of flour stuff. Now that we've done that, we're going to need some sugar, and I'm going to use less of it because it braces and it's going to be quite sweet anyways because of the syrup and all that. Good enough, Khalees. Good enough for you. Okay. Now we're going to need one medium egg, and this is our egg. And we're gonna just okay. Okay, so we're gonna need 9 teaspoons of. We've got a special measuring one here. Measure out a teaspoon, and I'm left-handed if you didn't know, so I'm going to need to do it this way. Okay, so now we're going to need some of this stuff, vegetable oil. I like using vegetable oil because I do. So we're just going to get some of this. You have to mix everything very well because it's not going to get a good mixture. So we're going to need 2 teaspoons of golden syrup. Final step is we're going to need 2 drops of vanilla extract, and if you don't have the stuff, I suggest you go get it because it makes it very tasty. It tastes really good, so that's 2-ish. There you go. It smells very nice. That is what the mixture looks like on the inside. Just in the microwave for 3 minutes. 1, 2. Did I say 2 minutes? I meant 3 minutes, sorry. 3 minutes in there, and I'll come back to you when it's rising. Okay, as you can see, it's now rising beautifully. It's done! So this has gone amazingly well. This is it's meant to rise up to about here. Because I put less ingredients in because of my brace, it hasn't gone all the way up, and it is cooked amazingly. I was going to give you a better view. For a microwavable cake, that's amazing. Look at that. Still cooking at the moment, so I'll leave it for a bit. Okay, so it's now cooled down a little bit. I'm just gonna take my first bite into the cake. Oh god. That's amazing. For a microwavable pudding, that is spectacular. Can't believe that. Wow. Well, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Smack it in the face. Smack the thumbs up button in the face if you want. Subscribe and share. It will all be appreciated if you could comment on the video as well, because it's feedback at the end of the day, and I like feedback. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.